double-ended synthetic dreads in my hair. In natural hair, I usually see the more false locks and the crochet braids, but this is also an option. This is a double-ended synthetic dread. This is one that I made. Just crocheted it. And this is what it looks like in my head. What they look like in my head. And the dreads are just braided in. Right here. This is my natural hair. My natural hair stops here, and then I rubber band the hair onto the, so it doesn't slip or anything. I've worn this style plenty of times, and these are reusable. Like, I've washed these and rewrapped them. I've worn these like twice, I think. Yeah, I've worn these twice. This is my second time wearing them. I only worn them once before, but they look a lot better now. I like them more because I give them like little accents. Just to show you what it looks like from behind. What it looks like from behind. I'll show you my scalp. I have no problem showing y'all my scalp. I like the braids, got it up. I usually just wear them up. Just twisting and twisting. Put the bun, twisting around my head. I can get in my scalp more than I can with my hair in false locks, because I don't know, I just feel like my hair is just gonna be dry. But this way is a lot easier, and I can like go through each braid and add something to it. I could with the false locks, but this I can reuse. The false locks I have to cut out and do it all over again. And it wastes hair. This I can just wash these, reuse them. I want y'all to see. I know there are other videos about it being in the naturalness. I think I have another video, I'm not sure. That one is blended very well. I like the way that one looks, gotta get that end. But that's basically my hair. This is an option. Very, very fun option. I make these for other people too. I love it. It's really fun hair. It's just an option for protective styling.